I have finally completed the fall-themed mini journals, and I cannot wait to do a flip through with you, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Alright, so we're going to start off with the first one that I completed. Some of it I've done on camera, which was the construction of the actual journal cover, and then the interior portions I did off camera. But the second one, which I'll show you in just a second, is the one that I mostly did here on camera with you guys. Alright, so inside we have a cute little library card and a journal card with little metallic pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, along with some scraps, obviously. Here we have some Tim Holtz elements, along with some ephemera from our Autumn's Breeze kits. And that is on top of the folder, which here's one of the journaling cards that I created here in the last one of the latter videos. Now this is the writing board. So, some of these pages do have lace and different pieces of ephemera on them as decorative items, but that's what the writing board is for, just to create a smoother writing space. So there we have just a little cute cluster there, a fall themed cluster. And I meant to show you this little dangle on the side. This is a Tim Holtz tag, a little key there, and some scrap trim there, along with the bulb pen. Alright, so getting back on the inside. So as soon as you open up, you have vellum ledger paper and some napkin, printed coffee dyed paper from our kit. This is something that I found in a magazine. I loved the colors, the green and the brown. And then on the opposite side is just a journaling spot that I covered the opposite side of that magazine with. Coffee dyed with some lace trim on the side. Some scrap planner pages that I just coffee dyed. And on the opposite side is a flip out with a little envelope from Sonya's kit. On the inside is a little journaling card. It's adorable. It looks like a tiny little piece of paper. So I just tucked that right over here. And because this is so small, it's kind of difficult to put like dangles and all that on the inside. So I'll leave that to the recipient to work with. Then we have some more paper from the kit. Another journaling card. You saw me do that on the channel. Here's a little pocket with some scraps and something from last year's fall kit. That is from THELISHA's kit, where baking and crafting meets. This is just some journal page. This is a journal page made from my son's one of his workbooks from school. Wright Brothers. This is probably talking about inventors. From one of my jelly prints. And it's got some lace at the top. And then we're just going to continue going through to the opposite side of each page. There's one of the tickets from one of my kits. I believe it's from the Blush and Blue kit. And then there's a beautiful journaling card using one of THELISHA's printables from her kit. More of that planner paper. The opposite side of that magazine, and I just add a little piece of coffee dyed paper up at the top for a little journaling space, but I wanted to keep this image here. I thought it was rather interesting. And then two journaling spots here using, again, the jelly print. Now here's one of the tags that probably one of the first items that I made here on the channel using the kit. And this is the hidden tag, as you remember. It's a double tag hidden pocket. And I'll put a card up in the corner to take you to that video for those who are interested. I thought this was really cute, though. Just some more journaling space. And yes, I'm going to use this white paper clip because it matches. And why complicate it, right? All right, the other side of that vellum, and that's just a little pocket to slip something in, and then there's the rest of that napkin. And then we have the notepad that you saw me make in the other one. This one I had made off camera. So I'm gonna slide this off to the side and show you the second one. Now the second one pretty much has the same elements, a couple of different things on here, but I'm not gonna talk through it. I'm just gonna flip through, add some music, and just enjoy, okay? All right, so that is it for the two fall themed mini junk journals created using the Autumn's Breeze kit, available in my Etsy shop. Now remember, there's links below to the kits that are made available by Sonya of Artsy Solutions, as well as THELISHA of Where Baking and Crafting Meets, in the event that you're interested in those. So before we release the next kits, I suggest you go on over there and grab them while you can. And I also had, while I was from the scraps, because it's still got plenty of scraps, a couple of other things that I made. I made a couple of tiny journals, you know. I haven't sewn these together, but this is literally using nothing but scraps. I've just collaged over some mailer, postcard mailer that I received in the mail. I'm going to add some type of fall themed focal point to the front, but then there's just a little collaged card there, a pocket. And then on this one, same thing on the inside, just some journaling pages. And in the back for this one, instead of a front pocket, there's a little hidden, well, here we go, little tag in here. Okay, so listen, I hope this has inspired you to, get into the theme of this season. Fall will be wrapping up in less than a month, and so we don't have a lot of time to put those journaling thoughts down, but you still have a few weeks. So with that being said, listen, thank you so much for watching. I hope that if you have enjoyed this video, that you've gone ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And for those who are new to the channel and you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and do that right now so that you don't miss anything along the lines of what you saw today. And as I always say, for those who have continued to support the channel, for members of the Lovely Lab, thank you so much for sharing, liking, and spreading this content out in your creative spaces. I truly do appreciate it, and our community has grown by leaps and bounds in the last year, and so I truly do appreciate you guys. Now with that being said, listen, until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.